Today we're at J-2, lot J-2 in Carteret Mobile Park. This is the final video for this house. The closing is tomorrow. Today's December 21st. So the closing's December 22nd. It's a beautiful sunny cold day in December, a couple days till Christmas. So here you have custom steps and the shed is still on order, and this house has central air conditioning and it's propane gas here, natural gas, or propane gas I should say. Beautiful sunny spot, great patio, great little yard. We have Anderson storm doors. The gutters are still coming. Got outside electric. Let's go inside and check it out. It's one car parking in front of the house. Got a ceiling fan in the living room. A magnificent kitchen. This house has vinyl flooring throughout. This living room is full drywall. All the bedrooms too. So from this angle, you're seeing all the thermal pane windows. Those are steel doors. You've got a little sunburst on the main door, and the back door has a cottage, 9-light cottage door. That's a 100 amp electric panel back there. So here you have a center kitchen, and these are 4 Whirlpool appliances, and during COVID, all the appliances were upgraded to stainless steel. We typically purchase a black or a white appliance package, but this is what they got. We don't always get our choices lately. We're very grateful that this house has these stunning appliances, so very exciting. So this is a Whirlpool side-by-side door ice dispenser. And you've got your dishwasher, again Whirlpool. And you've got this stunning farm sink, very impressive. It's got the gooseneck faucet and a sprayer with a little bit of a bounce. Got that kind of industrial look everybody's loving nowadays. You've got 4 pieces to this farm sink. The cutting board, it's still wrapped. This little grated area, the piece in the bottom of the sink to protect it, and the colander. Over here you have your Whirlpool oven, stove, cooktop. And then of course your microwave. These are the Canoe Birch choice of color. I don't know, brown really. And it's all wood. It's got the European pulls. It's got shelving inside. Most of the shelving is adjustable. There's your adjustments. This is the Bronzite countertop and the glass Backsplash. It's got a little hint of blue in it, but this is called pearl. They say that it's white, but it's a beautiful cast. I mean, it just casts stunning against that Bronzite countertop. And it really incorporates the colors from the stainless steel. So let's step back a little bit and get another look. The kitchens are the highlights of these homes. So this is a Champion home, and it is the Redmond Homes division. It looks great with the floor, beautiful contrasting. It's very, very cheerful. So let's continue back to the master bedroom. Over here you have, this is the Energy Star home, so it's got a thermostat programmable by Rayburn. Here you have your laundry area. This is full-size washer and dryer area. I'll back up so you can see the whole area. And above, you've got LED lighting, and we've got LED lighting throughout the whole house. So let's take a quick look back over here. Got a lot of hi-hats in the kitchen. Great atmosphere, and it's that warm color. I really like that LED look. And the countertop in this house is wider than most. I really like it. Now, we don't get to pick that. The manufacturer decides based on the HUD code, what the code says for the depth of this room. So whatever this bathroom is, they were able to fit a longer countertop. This is a framed mirror, and those are LED bulbs there. It's the same Canoe Birch, all wood. Here's your commode. You've got your medicine cabinet or cosmetic cabinet above it. Got a little window, and all the windows come with the valances coordinating. Here's your one-piece step-in shower stall with 2 seats. And we install from Home Depot a heavier glass for the shower door when the house arrives. So let's take a peek inside. Here's your shower head and the seats. And this is waterproof wallpaper. Behind the door is a really wonderful little bonus, a little access to storing linens or medicine or other bathroom supplies. And here's the final one, much bigger. You could probably put a hamper even down there. This is really great. And of course the towel rack was included. It's so quiet in this house. All right, let's take a look at the other bedroom. Back through past the laundry area. And this is your first bedroom. That's your hot water heater. There's warranties on all the appliances, and the homeowner has to fill those out. And here's the closet. And here's your wire rack shelving, ready for the clothes. And again, it's got the moisture resistant wallpaper. So looking in this direction, you see we did peripheral heat vents. All of these things cost extra money. The manufacturer has a standard, and then we upgrade to our standards, the Dolan Home standards. So this peripheral heating vents, normally they do it in the center, and it costs more money to do it on the side because it's a little bit more work. But we think that's more compatible to our kind of housing, in our kind of community, in the shadow of New York City. We think New York City area buyers are much more savvy, and they deserve the best. And of course, it's something we live up to. So here is the furnace. It's the Miller furnace, and the forced hot air goes through here, and so does the central air conditioning. That's a magnetic door. It's supposed to be child-proof, or child-resistant, I should say. With a little strength, you can open it. So here's the second bedroom. Fabulous 2 windows in the front. Many of our couples end up buying houses and then use the second bedroom for guests or a study. So this is a really wonderful bonus to have an extra bedroom. And again, the LED lights. And you've got your closet. We'll stand back on this corner. So all our houses go through HUD inspections at the facility where they're built, and again when they arrive for all the hookups. So here's the screens for the Anderson storm doors. Put those in there safely. and you have plenty of closet space here. There you go. So although this house is already sold, we're happy to continue building new homes, and we have a lot of houses planned for the spring. So if you're interested in a similar house, please go to our website. Because of COVID, we've now streamlined our process, and you go straight to the website, answer the 15 pre-qualifying questions. You'll see the link there and the explanation and our rental criteria, and you'll get an email that will describe, the informational email describes the homes, our process. It will include the resident application and the lease, and from there you'll receive emails from me. One will be that informational email I mentioned. The second will be going over your answers to the 15 pre-qualifying questions. The third will be financing if you need it. And the fourth will be how to send in your application during the COVID quarantine. So it's a fabulous process. Everyone's been smoothly running through it. You're not buying a shirt, you're buying a house, so there is a little bit of work to be done, but we're here to guide you through it and walk you through it, and it seems to really make a certain segment of the population really happy that are economically challenged in these days. So this kind of housing is best for people who don't want to live in apartments anymore. Apartments in this Carteret, New Jersey area are running as high as $1,400 to $2,000 is what everybody tells me that they're paying. And so far we're hearing that besides our lot fee, which pays for water and sewer, and the financing loan if you need it, it's turning out to be about $1,100 a month. So that's quite a savings, and we are very proud to be part of providing affordable, quality, innovative housing to buyers in the Middlesex County, New York area. So we're in the shadow of New York, right off New Jersey Turnpike, exit 12, and near the Garden State Parkway, Route 9 and Route 1. Come join us. Start at our website, myhomeincarteret.com.